Alright, dolls and dudes. So we're here. This is my mom. And we're she's tired, but we're gonna try it. So this is supposed to be vegan chili, but technically the protein is vegetarian because it has eggs and milk as well. But try that. So this is Wendy's inspired vegan chili. Well, vegetarian technically.
Oh, this tastes good.
See? Good. So
What was in there?
I used a few recipes. Well, I went online and I searched trying to do like a Wendy's inspired chili, because you know Wendy's has like that sweet,
the meat
and smoky. The meat, you know, it's not real meat. That is meat crumbles by Morningstar.
Oh, so it's vegetarian.
Yeah. So
I gotta take Sean some to work.
Yeah, Sean's a co-worker. She loves vegetarian and vegan things as well.
I'm so sleepy saying I'm not eating, but eat my bowl.
And we have a vegan cornbread muffin. It's made completely from scratch. And my mom is like, well, how did you make it? No milk, no butter.
And it's not brown. I'm just so sleepy and hungry at the same time. This is good.
It's good. It's sweet though.
Yeah, why is it sweet?
Okay, the rest, the topping I made was a little sweet.
You put all the sugar in.
On the topping pot.
No, the whole thing tastes sweet.
Yours do?
You know it tastes sweet.
Mine's just the topping and the rest isn't as sweet. But you know, people love to put the chili.
I don't even be eating chili. But this is good.
It does taste good with it. No butter, no milk.
Well, chili wasn't supposed to have no butter, no milk anyway.
I'm talking about the cornbread.
Oh, this cornbread. It's sweet.
It is. It is sweet.
Where's the sour cream? What?
No sour cream, Mom.
I thought that was the chili.
Just
okay, it ain't bad. Cornbread.
I told you. The little.
And what's in it?
So, instead of using milk, we used almond coconut blend. And instead of using egg,
This guy at my job was telling me about some almond coconut something. Is it some hemp or something in or hemp or something?
hemp milk maybe?
Yeah, hemp milk or something. I said I had to ask you about it because I said hemp.
No, you said hemp. You just.
Something. I'm sleeping. I might eat some more.
Okay. I'm looking at the light.
So how is the hemp milk taste?
I haven't tried it actually. You said you wasn't hungry.
That one is good. I'm so sleepy.
Dr. Shake Sean. Take her muffin too. What's about time? This is good.
You know, I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I need to be in the bed early tonight.
See, the muffin's so soft.
They don't taste sweet. I think it was the top too.
No, you act like it's gonna be dried out and just so hard because there's no butter.
I should have cut them tomatoes up more.
Oh, yeah, I should have cut them. The coconut oil brings the kind of buttery, slightly flavor to the cornbread.
It tastes good. I'm here hot doing.
It is a lot of tomatoes because I use stewed tomatoes and tomato sauce. But the stewed tomatoes is what gives it that slight sweet face.
Your mother held her head up the whole time she started eating. Y'all not sleeping.
Well, I mean, it's good.
My hair is not done. I got 2 braids. But you can't even see. My daughter just want to put people on TV on. I hope it's gonna go on Instagram or whatever.
It's gonna be on YouTube, and then we can put it on Facebook and Instagram and everywhere else.
Don't do that.
Well, that's what it's gonna be. Because.
No, not because.
In reality, in the real world,
Yeah, in reality, the real world, what?
When you're eating,
That ain't got nothing to do with you eating and you looking like who would have thought it.
you don't look like who would have thought it.
I do so. I'm tired and I'm sleepy. My hair is not done, and you want a film to put on to the world so everybody and their mother and father can see me looking like I don't even know what to say it look like.
You look good.
No, I don't.
You look just like, oh, you just had a nice long day.
I don't have time for you.
I had a nice long day too.
Yeah, doing nothing.
I've been cooking all day.
Really?
Really, you could actually say I've been doing that because I was right in the kitchen and
Yeah, because you over here trying to cook food that I found to get one meal. And you come on my house and terrorize. Film that. Film the kitchen.
No, we're not supposed to the kitchen.
So they can see how you taught the house.
The kitchen is a mess.
And then want to put me on stuff and video.
But I told you. You make it seem like I just was like, oh, hey.
I told you I want to be on the video. Let me look like somebody. And then video. I'm trying to catch me and I'm relaxing and chilling. And
But yeah, that's on the average day. Most people just relaxing and chilling.
I know most of relaxing, chilling day. I look like something. Because
Oh,
I'm
you
in
do?
and out the house. When you in the house, you look like, woo. When you relaxing.
I don't know if people gonna think that.
You do. Ain't nobody walking around with no makeup on and no high heels or trying to look
That's
cute
what I'm saying. People
while
want
they
to
sitting
see
in the house.
regular average people just relaxing. This is not a beauty channel. This is
I
not.
didn't say it's supposed to be a beauty channel. I'm just saying to look decent. I don't think I look decent. You looking like something.
I got
Got
all
jewelry
dirty
on,
shirt.
makeup on, got all your boobs hanging out as usual.
The shirt is all messed up, and we're just
I'm
like,
sitting here trying to go to sleep and you don't want nobody to go to bed.
I had no problem with you going to bed. You said you was just gonna taste a little bit because you was tired.
I don't know. I want some more. Oh, you gotta make sure you take some home to your sister.
Yeah.
She gonna have a party, be smiling.
Mhm. He would say just that.
This is good. Not really big over 10 tomatoes in
It's good for you.
here. One cornbread, that's all in there. That's nothing sweet.
I'm full. I'm gonna eat some ice cream, but that's not gonna happen.
Ice cream, oh my god. That's not gonna work.
Yeah, it's not gonna.
Okay, give me a little more. Not eating.
I'm green.
I'm gonna try to eat the tomato, but
Would you?
I
You're supposed to be chopping them up.
But it's not cut up.
Okay, I'm gonna give you some. Alright, you guys, thanks for tuning in. And we'll be back another time.
Be like, is that your mother, really?
I'm gonna have the next video
Y'all
will
catch
be
me on another day. I'm not sleepy and tired. And
will
look
be
like
lobster rolls.
I won't be there
Vegan
for that
lobster
one.
rolls.
I will be at work. I have a job.
Just like
It is
me.
vegan, whatever stuff.
But I did something on the weekend, and I'm trying to do more weekends where she can try more of the food, because she always says she doesn't get to get all the
Come
meals.
over my house
Her
and
face.
tear my house up in my kitchen and make it a big catastrophe.
A catastrophe.
While
She's
cooking.
outrageous. Don't she supposed to be asleep? Alright, you
I
guys.
am
Tune
a
in
regular
later.
sleep.
Follow me
Bye, y'all. Do
everywhere.
not follow her. Do not.
Text with
Don't
K
even pay me
on
no mind like I'm not
Instagram,
even in the video.
Snapchat.